You're young, but your career is integrated with the rest of your life, it looks like. And like some people, they go to work, they come home.
Attitude and work ethic, you can't teach. It has to be present with, like, the person has to have it.
Look at where you got all this stuff! Oh my god! What's happening? I'm back at the gym. Okay. What's happening? I'm back at the gym. It's been like 3 weeks or something.
It's just like there's so many of us. When is this gonna become weird? Like
It will never
there's
become
like gonna be 30 of us walking.
Barbie party's right here.
Barbie party?
Yes.
Oh my god.
Wow. Barbie?
So cute. Oh my god, I love your outfit. So cute.
Parker is so cute. I know. Look at where you got all this stuff. Oh my god.
So cute. Get a picture. Can you guys pose for a picture?
Can I take a picture with you? Oh, you do it my phone? Wow.
Look over here.
Ladies and gentlemen, Tessa Virtue. I can say that without a shadow of a doubt, she's never been more proud of me than she is in this very moment. She's an only child of an only child, and I can't overstate how impactful and formative Barbie was in making her the woman she is today. So Mom, I'm pleased that you can add the Tessa Virtue doll to your already impressive collection. And remember, you can be anything.
Oh my god.
Thank you very much.
You got me. She like looked at me. I'm like, oh my god. You felt it inside your soul.
So today is my office day and we have a few fun things today. Actually, I forgot about it, but I booked for myself and Gary tarot card reading. So that's happening today. And I'm not like a big believer in it, but my mom is obsessed with all these things and she used to take me since I was like a young girl to all these different healers and readers and stuff. So I wanted to kind of try it out. I don't really want to know anything. I just want to freak Gary out a bit. Just like wifey thing to do. So, are you excited for this little surprise?
Where are we going?
We're doing tarot card reading.
So what's, huh?
Tarot card reading.
What's a tarot?
It's, I don't want to say. You'll know.
What's gonna happen here?
You know how my mom loves all these like voodoo stuff?
Are we going to see a restaurant?
No, it's not. Oh, it smells so nice. Hi.
Cheers.
How are you? I'm good, thank you. We have an appointment for a tarot card reading.
Hi.
Hi. Good, how are you? I have to get some crystals in the house.
Why? What are the crystals doing now?
There's power. I love this.
It feels like a spa in here. Is this a spa?
No.
It's not? Just the music. It's very spa-like.
Can you hear yourself how you're talking very loudly and everything is calm here?
What are you talking about right now? I'm not talking loudly. I'm talking in my normal voice.
Well, your massages.
So it is a spa.
Yeah, we offer Thai massage and lymphatic.
See, I'm not wrong.
Crystal I'm gonna say this.
Great. So, did you want to wait for Tiffany to finish setting up, or you can
Sure.
go up, or-
Sure, yeah.
can wait.
We can walk around.
Yeah.
Come, let's walk around, Gary. I'll tell you
Yes,
about
let us
stuff.
prance.
Shh, be quiet.
Why are you shushing me all the time?
Shh, be quiet. You're literally, like, you're ruining my vibe right now.
You have a vibe?
Yeah. If you,
Oh, you want me to come with you? While you were vibing?
yeah. Evolution of the goddess.
It just says evolution of goddess, not the goddess.
Look, a modern girl's guide to activating your feminine superpowers. I
Did you
want
write this book? Ooh, these ones look like marshmallows.
She's ready? Okay, come. Don't need anything, come.
Now, are any of these crystals edible?
No. Unless you wanna die.
So they're just upstairs.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It says to remove it.
Oh, really?
Well, it said it, but whatever. Maybe we'll make it acceptable.
No, we're good. Hello.
You're young, but your career is integrated with the rest of your life, it looks like. And like some people, they go to work, they come home, church, state. But for you, it looks like it's more intertwined. And so you can have fun while you're working. You can grow as you're working. And I mean grow as a human being as you're working. And it's really just a matter of keeping moving forward. You know, wherever you are, you haven't seen anything yet. And I almost think, I don't want to criticize you, but I don't want you to be hesitant about taking on the world. I don't want you to be hesitant about fulfilling your potential.
Don't get scared, I'm crying, but it's not because it's because I do this a lot. I cry a lot.
Why is that sensitive? I just told you, go for it, and that you have it all. That's a compliment. It's also a responsibility. It's also a responsibility. But here's the thing. You wouldn't be getting these cards if you weren't responsible. If you were some greedy, horrible, self-absorbed person, you wouldn't be getting these cards. Because the universe wouldn't trust you with this responsibility. You just need to step out of any limiting beliefs and anything from the past that held you back. And specifically any pattern that you've had in the past of attracting certain kinds of people into your life, of people that have been in your life that may have taken more than they've given. And you need to stay balanced. And that's, you know what, that's everybody's journey, staying balanced as you go through life. Believe me, it doesn't get any easier as you get older, because you have a natural affinity to give, and honestly, that's not necessarily always good for you. I'm sorry. That's actually, I would consider a weakness in you, is that you are too giving. And I think you need to make sure, and make sure that you stay balanced. And the thing that I want you to think about right now is, when you're giving more, the other person isn't learning how to give, and you're not learning how to receive. And I think learning how to receive might be one of your lessons as you go through life. Okay? You have the power, you just have to unleash it. Last chance, do you have any questions? If If you don't have any questions, then you can ask a question for her.
You can contain yourself, I see.
I can see.
I want you to ask questions.
I'm thinking about a question.
What do you think?
I think my biggest struggle right now is
I can tell you what it is.
what is
Imaginary.
I think because right now I'm at a point in my life where career is really the majority of what's going on in my life today, and I think that for me my struggle comes from letting it take over because I'm scared that it's gonna, like, I have children and I'm just scared that it's gonna come on the expense of their well-being.
You know, I've been reading cards for decades, and I've listened to a lot of people, and I want to say something to you. Mothers that worry about that aren't the bad mothers. They just aren't. They're more aware than most parents. Just the fact that you're asking that says to me that's not an issue, because you won't let it be an issue. Now, having said that, being balanced is difficult. This is what you're going to have to learn to do. Delegate. What happened?
We just had this conversation this morning.
But here's, somebody has to every day. Okay, now you said she's perfect, and now she's not, because she's not delegating. So we found something here. My point is this:
Yeah.
if you have to let go of something, and so find something to let go of. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Or in your particular case, looking at your cards, it's not just delegating, it's also setting up a structure where it can be self-serving, like it can make money without you present all the time.
Mm-hmm.
I'm trying to be sensitive to you, but I want to say,
I don't want you to be sensitive
okay,
to me.
here it is. There's so much more to you.
Mm-hmm.
And if you're tied down with this, and it's fabulous, and it's wonderful, and you're helping people and all those wonderful things, whatever it is, it's good. It's following your passion. I get that. But at some point, you need passive income. You need to set it up in a way that it's a school or a Udemy course or something where other people can step in and do certain things, because your real power is coming from the next step.
Mm-hmm.
You're going to build something much bigger. And this is going to be lovely, and you're going to keep it, but there's something bigger coming.
Yeah, I think that for me, I can see that I'm thinking too micro.
Yes,
because
you are.
I'm trying to have my hand on everything and to control everything in my life.
Mm-hmm.
But I know that it's my own struggle right now, and I realize that this is what really stops me from getting to the next phase in my life.
Okay, the fact that you know that is the biggest hurdle. I don't know if you remember, we saw the Eight of Swords here, where she's stuck. She's stuck in her thinking. But you have that awareness, which many people don't, which means that's where they stay. I do not believe it's your destiny to stay where you are.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just a card reader.
Not just.
My point is this: set it up so that it hums without you,
Mm-hmm.
or with you having it part-time, so that you can build. Is there something else you want to build? Is there another aspect to this that you want to turn into something bigger?
Yes.
Okay. That's the real thing.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm not suggesting in my years this isn't real. I'm suggesting
Mm-hmm.
there's more to you. And I want you to understand, it's not just more to you, it's more to offer the world.
Mm-hmm.
So if you won't do it for yourself, do it for everybody else.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Today, I literally took the day to
catch up on errands, find my passport, because tomorrow we're flying out to New York for a little work trip. But yeah, I was supposed to shoot a video, didn't get to it, not gonna lie. But we do have a panel today at the Rotman School of Business, which is a pretty big deal in Toronto. And in general, it's a very respectful business school. So I'm sitting on a panel for, I guess, kind of fashion discussion. So there's different people from the fashion industry that are going to be part of it, and they asked me kindly to be part of it, and I'm super excited. And I mean, obviously it's an amazing opportunity, but also I'm really, you know, because I'm trying to really work on this whole public speaking, just being part of these type of things, it's kind of really my goal for this year to get more comfortable with it. I'm taking these opportunities, and I enjoy to share my information and knowledge with younger people, and also, you know, train myself to just be more comfortable, because as many as I do these, the better I guess I'll feel and more comfortable. So I'm really excited to be part of it. So I'm just gonna start getting ready, makeup and stuff. I have no idea what I'm wearing, didn't get the chance to think about it too much. This is going to be my tripod. You know, professional. That's how I roll.
Valeria is a model turned motivator and lifestyle blogger. Mom to 3 children, she shares her passion for self-love, personal style, beauty tips, and nutritional expertise in her daily content, which reaches over 1 million people every day. She connects deeply with her followers, giving them an insider's look into her life, along with tips and tricks that never go out of style.
Attitude and work ethic, you can teach. It has to be present with, like, the person has to have it. Everything else you can teach, and other people can learn. So just remember that when you present yourself, but you know, in front of opportunities, attitude and work ethic is everything. But if you reach out and you're like, hey, you know what, I know that you're working on this right now, I can offer this to you, and then say, if you would be interested, maybe we can, you know, meet for a cup of coffee. So I'm a big believer in first coming and being like, this is what I can do for you, rather than what can you do for me.
Time to go home to my babies. And that's a wrap. I'm gonna go eat my candy.